Hey guys, it's Nick coming at you from Courtesy Chrysler. Today we are looking at this 2013 Ram 1500 Laramie in a brilliant black. Under the hood, you are going to find a 5.7 liter V8 engine coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Coming down to your wheels, you are sitting on 20-inch alloy rims with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Looking at your key now, you do have your unlock, lock, and panic button. You also have a park mode so you can easily get in and out of your truck. Coming inside the vehicle now, on the door, you are going to find your powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Then just below there, you have some additional storage space. On the left side of your dashboard, you have your automatic headlamp switches, so you can set it and forget it. Your driver's seat is fully powered with two-way lumbar support and a brilliant black leather interior. This Ram has 56,192 kilometers. Also on your digital menu, you can find your digital speedometer, vehicle information, fuel economy, trip information, and more. Onto the left side of your wheel, you can find your digital menu controls and your hands-free calling with voice commands. Over to the right of your wheel, you have your cruise controls in a very convenient place. On the back side of your wheel, you have your wheel-mounted audio controls so you can keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Panning to your multimedia center, you do have your standard AM and FM options with Sirius XM radio if you choose to subscribe. You are also able to connect a mobile device via USB, auxiliary, or Bluetooth. And you do have a SD card option. Below there you have your dual climate controls with air conditioning, and you also have heated and cooled seats with a heated steering wheel. And your center console is two-tiered. And the top tier is where you're able to connect your mobile devices I had mentioned earlier. Your glove box is also two-tiered with tons of storage space. Coming into your back seats, you'll notice that you have more than enough room back here for all of your passengers. However, you can easily fold up your back seats to maximize your cargo space. Only on Ram trucks do you have a built-in toolbox. You do have a backup camera. And you have been optioned with a spray-in bed liner. This SUV has been fully inspected and it does have a full car proof. It's been 5-star clean to look like a brand new vehicle. So make sure you stop by Courtesy Chrysler today and check out this amazing 1500 before it's gone. This was Nick, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.